You can expect a lot from the 2015 Nissan Quest. This 7-passenger van still has fewer than 60,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.